Hey babes, come do this with me. Here's what I use. Period. Let's get into it. I was doing some Boho barrel bob locks on a regular. Pretty sure y'all seen her time after time after time again. That's because baby girl keep booking. Okay. But this is like a 3-step process. The barrels make it like a 4th step. But go in and you do knotless braids throughout the whole head. I personally take my time with this part because I'm a little perfectionist and I need them to be perfect. This wasn't technically square shape. It was kind of like off purposely. I wanted to give it a different look, but it's still kind of a square to me. It's all about the base. Here, I'm showing y'all a slowed down version. Really, this is regular speed, but I'm just showing y'all how I insert the new locks onto the braid to basically make it quote unquote knotless, and how that's even done. I was struggling, y'all, so y'all gonna see me take it back off and then try it again. And even though I've been braiding and just doing these types of styles for a very long time, you still run into things like that. So never fret, just take your time and do it. And if you have to start over again, do not be afraid to take it down and start over again. I've definitely redid something before. So this is me opening the loop, because it's a loop at the top for you to stick on top of the needle, or in the hole of the needle rather. You close the needle and then you pull that through the braid and you pull your braid back through the hole. So now it's like crocheted on your braid, and that's why when the takedown process comes, it's very easy. So I skipped into wrapping because only thing you're gonna do is just add all those new locks into each braid. When it comes to the wrapping, that is not hard. You just want to make sure that you are using small pieces of the hair that you're wrapping around so that it can give off the knotless look. And here I made it boho, so I'm adding in the curls as I please, wherever I please. Not too much, not too little. She wanted it just like the video she had done sent me. And this is progress, okay? And this is more progress. As y'all can see, I have not done the barrels yet, but here we are, barreling. But seriously, y'all, and the reason I like doing it like this is because, as y'all can see, I keep them all the same length when I just go in and do it at the end. It's easy, real quick, 1 2 1 2. I add rubber bands at the end so that my clients can go back and take them down if they would like. And yeah, y'all, that's really how you achieve this style, this whole look. It's the finished product. Never mind that little curl right there, because y'all, like, I would not steer you wrong. Okay, get into this look. My girl tried something new for the first time with her color, and I'm honestly proud of her. I'm actually proud of her for trying something new. So book an appointment with the neatest and follow me for more.